come meet you. I dey call you be ritualist. All right, still on the matter on Street Jams on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. If you just watch me live, if you touch it that, the TV go shock you. Oh shit, feel it. Back it up, back. Oh shit. Now one question I throw enter street today. The question is a very funny question. The question is say yes, eh? Make I see the thing. The question. The question is say I want know. It bad if woman propose give woman. It bad. Me I know say na entrance now. I may wear another box and enter street. All right, you get business. You get business. You get business. See, no say people ain't get bad head. People ain't get bad. Sometimes their sense they don't come out. All right, so the matter before the. All right, before the less privilege just come disturb us. So the matter. Back it. I did, bro. Alpha. Yeah, nice one. All right, just still on the matter. You know, say when rich man abuse somewhere, now the poor man when they there they show himself, and now they be like that. That's how they be sometimes. All right, now the question when I try that straight with that, the question I just they do this one because the guy don't vest me, but now I just had the vest. The guy too, you know. Bros, good afternoon, Alpha.
Good afternoon.
Wazobia TV.
Okay.
I should do like this, eh? It's bad if woman propose give you.
No, how woman go propose give me now?
It's not bad now. What's in it?
Bad now. How woman go propose give me?
So you know me say if a woman propose for you to you now, you not go value am.
For waiting now.
You sure?
Nah, I'm not go value.
No value am.
At all.
You just using her like rag liver.
No, we go just be friend now. But
okay.
Why you propose to me? Now man they propose to woman, no woman.
Now man they propose to woman.
Thank you.
But for abroad they do it now.
For abroad now, for Nude Niger.
Still on the matter, bro. Alpha. If now you welcome, you go happy.
I beg, where the girl dey? I find out. I beg. Anywhere we dey. I find you. Where the girl dey? I find the girl. All
right, take it out. Still on the matter on Street Jams on Wazobia TV. For the watch me live. This guy say where the girl dey. The spirits, father. Oh, guy, bless you. Not where they find one. You go marry. You don't marry.
I never married.
Never married.
Yes.
I know where the girl dey.
Where she dey?
Man, show you.
Tell me.
In the night.
Okay.
Around 12 o'clock in the night.
Okay.
Maybe you go one place where they...
The place where I chop my first 1 million naira finish. I don't want to go back to that place again. If not for like those small place where I go pay like a small money. You understand? But
you not good there.
Look at me.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Back it there. Tell you, so let the matter on Street Jams on Wazobia TV. Bros, Alpha now. Alpha. The way your face be, so I'm not sure say woman go fit propose for you. I'm not sure say woman fit propose for you.
No,
well, I should do like woman propose for you, bad.
No bad now.
Just say you love her.
Of course.
Woman just what I can give you for no and say, will you marry me?
No generation where they now. Things don't change.
Things don't change. Let's say you just wake up from sleep.
No. I mean, I did busy inside my office.
Okay. You get office?
Of course.
I say you not get office. You know, say most people dey for this Akatinubu now only the office na road.
No, not with me. Can't
but see the issue.
Of course.
All right. Now, which kind of work in the work?
I'm into communication business.
Communication. People when no fit talk, you can't help them talk.
Yes.
That kind of thing. Still on the matter. Back it there. Oh shit, feel it. I want to ask you. I been want to ask you before that guy get bad head, come disturb you. So Alpha,
I did,
if woman propose to you, you go like her?
If woman propose to me, as an African man, I wouldn't like it because where I come from, mainly I'm from the eastern part of the country, and where we come from normally is our tradition for a man to propose to a woman and not a woman to propose.
Where you come from?
I come from Enugu State, 042, yeah, 042 to be precise.
So the woman propose to you, no go value her?
No, I won't because it will make me irresponsible, yeah, as a man.
Back at that. Oh shit, feel it. Oh, don't touch that. Oh. Alpha. Good afternoon.
Alpha now.
Wazobia TV.
Okay.
As you do now, if woman propose to you, you go like her?
How? No,
woman just tell you, say, I'm in love with you, say, I want to marry, what will you do?
Well, be African man now, woman not supposed to propose to me. At all.
But it happen in a new era with
anybody way like that way, making do it before me, no, not the possible
like
from my place. A Igbo boy now.
Maybe Igbo boy?
Yeah, no.
Not like her?
At all.
So what the matter? You call me before, what you want to tell me?
I call you before.
You guys don't give me one line. Still on the matter. Quick. Oh God, this is your belly, not the Oh boy, why they drag her inside? Oh boy, see Belle.
One love.
Oh boy, half.
I do.
You don't marry?
Yeah.
With how many kids?
God bless me by 5.
5.
Yeah.
And they plan to born more.
No.
You go born like 6. Joy.
No.
Just no born like 6.
No. 5 at least for school now. For school, you know.
Okay, you don't born rich, abi?
Yeah, I know.
Don't born again.
Yeah.
After just they run things, they go like that.
To train
They go,
them.
they come do family planning.
No, I'm a gangster now. I know I see the go now.
You gangster.
Yeah, no.
Them say nobody. As you say, because not be say nobody your woman. They run things with me. I can't see guy.
You want this in the wrong dimension. When wife hear them, you not be impressed.
You don't be impressed.
Yeah.
As you do like this, if you allow woman propose to you,
Why?
okay, wait, man, do my interview. If you allow woman propose to you,
Why?
if you propose to you, you go like her.
Why? Yes.
All right, you like her.
Yes.
You not be anything.
No.
All right, still on the matter. Quick there. Before you enter your motor, if you allow woman propose to you,
Yes.
why?
It's normal. If man can propose to a woman, so I do not see anything bad in woman propose to a man. Yeah, nothing there. Yeah, I'm very sure. Yeah.
But you go, as I see your face, I don't just say that. Just a woman will feel.
Me, I'm a very handsome man.
But you need to get, you know answer. You tell you say answer. You find reach me. Look at her face.
See, look at her face.
My face fine past you. All right. So let the matter on straight answer. Wazobia TV. See all the matter. Make it there. Okay, wait on. Adi. All right, and I like this to the run now. You know that kind of thing now. Yeah, you know say this area one with the most of them are only tie, neither they not say they work. And most of them, you see they're not tie like this. Not be say whether now they get the company or there be some of them are some of them are security. The branch manager of which company? Okay, I don't know the company. Don't worry, more not do advert for my company. What of you? Assistant branch
manager. Okay.
All right, still on the matter of straight chance. As you do like this, woman propose to you, you like her.
I don't go like her.
Why?
For my tradition, I'm supposed to propose.
Now, you get tradition. Nigeria get tradition.
We get for our village.
Oh, just say Nigeria get tradition.
They get for my
All if Nigeria get tradition, all the traditional rulers there, I will know whether
my place.
money don't block all their ear.
If my place, if my propose to me, I'm not taboo.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. All right, I took the throw the question they give only man. Now ask woman. Quick it there. Quick. All right. She don't lock the door. All right, I was asked one girl. Babe, how far? How you there? Hello, how you there? No, you there? Hello. I was asked to do. How far are you there? Good afternoon, Wazobia TV.
Wow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.